So how do you piece it together once you've actually started collecting pieces of literature? Again, we haven't started actually writing the thing. We're just collecting sources and trying to build up to writing the literature review. I know it's taking forever. Um, I think of this kind of like a puzzle or a kind of game. And so I'm going to talk about this for a bit. Piecing the pieces of literature together, the individual pieces, it usually starts with some kind of introduction, not just of the individual piece, but like in general. You know, it might be an introduction of your topic. It might be a little bit of background information, things that your audience needs to know. It's okay if this goes on top of another introduction that you had. Like let's say this is part of a paper, like a bigger paper or book. It's okay if this introduction goes on top of that. It's also okay if it's a standalone thing and this is the only introduction you're giving your audience. They need to know, you can't just jump into literature and go, all right, Smith says this, this, and this, and Garcia says this, this, and this. You need some kind of thing at the beginning to hold it all together. And then once you have that, you can start organizing. I have a few little bits here, by topic chronologically. I actually go into more detail in another slide after this, so don't worry about that. And then there's a conclusion. Again, the conclusion ties into other parts of the literature review or other things that aren't the literature review. But it's there as part of the literature review, as like a part of your literature review that you're going to write, as a way to connect ideas, to like tie ideas together. And the same way that the introduction pieces things together, the conclusion tells your reader, if you're not going to read anything else, this is the idea I want you to leave with. Or if you are going to read more stuff, look at these people together.